Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of a workspace in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, our teammates and some tips. From here we just swipe to the right, and then in the Workspaces menu, we select the workspace that we want to sign out from. Tap on the three buttons next to it, and then at the bottom we find with red, sign out. If we are completely sure that we want to sign out of a workspace, we can just tap sign out and continue the steps that the app shows us. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.